a campaign. It's called Impact 50,000. Every 30 days, we're gonna start a new CBD challenge. And what I'm gonna do is, if you gotta promote, you gotta post a video every day of you taking your CBD tea and your nutraburst. And the person who body transforms in 30 days, I'm gonna give them $5,000. The biggest transformation get $5,000. And what I'm gonna do is, if you prove that you use the product every day and your body didn't transform, I'm gonna give every single person that can prove that they use the product every day and their body didn't transform and their mind didn't change, everybody that do it and they say it didn't do nothing for them, and I can see a picture that nothing happened, I'm gonna give them $500 out of my pocket. I'm about to launch a campaign.